What up, tubes? All right, so now we're over here getting water now. So I get this token right here. I got my token right here, right? This is what I do. We have tokens that we buy, and then we go to our water well, our water place right here. And let's take a look. This I don't know if I showed y'all before on how to do this, but this how I get my water here in Las Vegas. So see, we come right here to a spot, right? And this is the back of the store. So this is like a supply store, Silver Horizon. It's a supply store. So we dirty right here because everybody cleans their shit out right here. I'm gonna give it to my fancy cameraman right here. There you go. So that's it right there, champ. That's how you do it. So right here, we're just gonna unlock the trailer. Trailer unlock. All right, so right now we're about halfway, right? So I shouldn't really be filling up, but I am gonna do a couple cars, so that way we can have at least water for a couple cars. Toss this in here. Put your hook on, and if I don't put the hook on, it just goes crazy everywhere. So I get my coin. Toss it in here, and just like that, you can see it's already flowing. See here, and it flows pretty fast. See, you got a good little stream there. You see? That's all spotless water right there. RO water, really RO water. They use RO, so that's what it is. It's RO water. It's pretty much drinking water, really. Yeah, got my little apprentice today here in the field. Hey, tell him subscribe.
Subscribe to the channel.
That's right, you better subscribe to the channel. That's what we got going on today. Nothing too crazy. Just filling up on water here. Oh, it's about to be full. So what I do is I time it just like this. Where we at? Just like that. Boom. See, we overflowed just that much. See, not much overflow, but we are filled to the brim, baby. And that's it right there, y'all. That's how you fill your water right there. So catch y'all on the next one.